The coronavirus pandemic is unique and unprecedented in several aspects and has challenged healthcare systems across the world. Ayurveda, being one of the world's oldest holistic healings, has come up with its research and drug for the cure and prevention of coronavirus. After clinical trials and researches, Pankajakasthuri, a company from Kerala, has released its drug called Zingivir H. Pankajakasthuri Herbals India Private Limited announced promising interim clinical trials for Zingivir H among patients suffering from COVID-19, developed by Dr. J. Harindran Nair, founder of Pankajakasthuri Herbal Research Foundation. Zingivir H is a herbo-mineral drug made of a blend of 7 ingredients. With the announcement, company hopes to reiterate the tremendous potential of Ayurveda as a cost-effective and scalable solution to critical health conditions such as COVID-19. Dr. J. Harindran Nair, founder and managing director of Pankajakasthuri, said, Ayurveda has a long and storied tradition of helping treat a wide range of conditions, from everyday allergies to more complex ones such as autoimmune diseases. During such unprecedented times as now, where our immunity is critical to fighting a disease that has become a global pandemic, we believe that Ayurveda has power to help develop an effective, cost-efficient and scalable treatment. Clinical trials of Zingivir H, Pankajakasthuri's new drug, are underway among 112 patients as an adjunct therapy for the pandemic, as well as among 135 additional patients as a stand-alone treatment in a double-blind study. The trials are progressing in 96 of the patients undergoing adjunct therapy. Out of these, the results of 42 patients are being published as an interim report. Among 42 patients, 22 were treated with Zingivir H and 20 were treated with a placebo. It was found that all the 22 patients treated with Zingivir H were discharged on the 4th day after real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. The remaining 20 patients in the control group who received placebos continued to be COVID-positive patients for 5 to 11 days. Zingivir H tablet had obtained the drugs license of Government of Kerala and underwent cytotoxicity test on human cells at Rajiv Gandhi Centre for Biotechnology and CSIR NIIST at Thiruvananthapuram. After the animal studies were proved to be harmless, the clinical trial registration was obtained from the Clinical Trial Registry of India. Thereafter, the drug was placed in randomized single-blind placebo-controlled multi-center clinical trial as per WHO's ICH-GCP standards at various medical colleges. Zingivir H clinical trial is being conducted similar to the testing protocols in modern medicine. The result will be published after completion of clinical trials and blood results including CRP, ESR, interleukin, IgG and IgM have proven the defensive functionality efficacy of Zingivir H. The interim clinical test results have been evaluated by a 5-member independent peer data monitoring community, DMC. After the peer review from DMC, the test results have been submitted for approval by Ministry of Ayush. So, we can hope that Ayurveda could save a lot of life from this pandemic.